Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vyomini Moringa cream. First, it is essential to prepare your skin properly. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly with your favorite gentle facial cleanser. This removes any impurities or makeup. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel, leaving it slightly damp. Finally, make sure your hands are completely clean before you begin the application process. Now, let's move on to applying the cream. Take a small, pea-sized amount of Vyomini Moringa cream onto your fingertips. This is usually about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Gently dot this amount onto different areas of your face, such as your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using light, upward, and circular motions, gently massage the cream into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Be gentle around the delicate eye area. After applying the cream, give it a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin. This allows the beneficial ingredients to work effectively. For best results, incorporate Vyomini Moringa cream into your daily skincare routine, applying it twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Consistent use, over several weeks, will help you achieve noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and overall radiance. Vyomini Moringa cream offers wonderful benefits for your skin. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Regular use can help improve your skin's texture and enhance its natural radiance, giving you a healthy glow. To maintain the cream's efficacy, always store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Enjoy your beautiful, nourished skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.